Yesterday, the Khasi Students' Union KSU from Southwest Khasi Hills District met with Deputy Commissioner Barnari Maulong, submitting a 15-point charter aimed at ensuring effective and transparent recruitment within the District Selection Committee (DSC). KSU President Forward Man Nongrem emphasized the need for ethical guidelines in appointing non-official members to the DSC, advocating for candidates without political ties. Key demands include annual asset declarations for public servants, proficiency in Khasi language for applicants, and a call to eliminate ad hoc and contractual appointments. The union also urged the DSC to publish an annual calendar of key examination dates, disclose candidates' marks, and complete recruitment processes within 6 months. Other suggestions include establishing a grievances cell and implementing computer-based tests in the future.
Nomor bahwa ingin padulap pakadon bajinglik question papers po sampai selesai hendrai kibobon gijik telu dan nertai kidon te nomor kata kenang ban like nya kita hukum IEKA pan penyo jingshania ya ki samlat hapkam na po district te ngila pentu district ba kedai ban pajba ba kini question papers kalong ba kedai ban long thali confidential kenang ban de ban handle kata rukam kan long confidential ba kenang ba kanom mi kanu ka jing penno nanish mat